In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Azure mobile app on Android. First, begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping this icon will launch the store where millions of apps are available to explore. This is the gateway to downloading the Microsoft Azure app, which allows you to manage your Azure resources from your mobile device. Having the app accessible on your phone makes it easy to keep track of your projects on the go. Once the Play Store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you will enter the name of the app you wish to download. The search bar is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you find apps quickly. By using it effectively, you can streamline your search process. Tap once on the search bar and your keyboard will appear, ready for you to type. Now, type Microsoft Azure into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly, as this will ensure that the correct app appears in the search results. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing below the search bar. These suggestions can help guide you to the right app, but be sure to select the full name for accuracy. This step is crucial because it directs you to the specific application you need to manage your Azure resources from your Android device. After you finish typing, look for the search results that populate the screen. You should see Microsoft Azure by Microsoft Corporation listed among them. This is the official app, so it's important to choose the correct one. Selecting the right app ensures that you have the most reliable and secure version directly from the source. Tap on Microsoft Azure to proceed with the download. At this point, you will see an Install button on the app page. Go ahead and tap Install to begin downloading the app. This action initiates the process of getting the app onto your device. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. While waiting, it's worth noting that having the Azure app on your device can enhance your productivity, making it easier to monitor and manage your cloud services anytime, anywhere. Once the app has downloaded and installed, you will see an option to tap Open. This indicates that the installation was successful. By tapping Open, you are launching the Microsoft Azure app for the first time. This is an exciting moment, as it means you are now ready to access your Azure resources right from your Android device. Finally, you will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft Azure account. Enter your credentials carefully and tap Sign In. This step is essential because it links the app to your Azure account, allowing you to manage your resources effectively. Once signed in, you will have access to all your Azure features right at your fingertips. This convenience is what makes using the Azure app on your mobile device so beneficial. With these steps completed, you are now all set to explore and manage your Azure resources through the app. Enjoy the flexibility and efficiency that comes with managing your cloud services on the go. Thank you for watching, and happy managing!